Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information about All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh, which is a reputed and prestigious medical institute of India. In this video, information regarding All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, AIIMS Rishikesh, 2 years job oriented Master of Public Health MPH program will be given. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the information brochure for All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh prospectus. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Rishikesh, Master of Public Health MPH, January 2026 session, and last date of submission of application with requisite document and fee through registered post speed post is 6 of November 2025. So student who want to take admission in AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health course, they can apply. Last date is 6 of November 2025, up to 5 p.m. And to apply for AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health program, student need to download the application form and send it by registered or post or speed post with requisite document and fee. Application fee is for SC/ST EWS rupees 1200 plus transaction charges as applicable. Unreserved OBC 1500 plus transaction charges as applicable. PWD exempted from any fee. So this is the introduction for AIIMS Rishikesh. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Rishikesh was established in 2012 under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana PMSSY to address regional disparities in quality tertiary healthcare and medical education as an autonomous institution of national importance. AIIMS Rishikesh upholds the same academic and research excellency as its parent institute AIIMS New Delhi. The institute offers undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs in medicine and allied sciences, granting degrees recognized under the AIIMS Act with state-of-the-art infrastructure, multidisciplinary research opportunities and a strong focus on patient-centered care. AIIMS Rishikesh plays a pivotal role in strengthening India's healthcare system, particularly in the northern region. MPH program at AIIMS Rishikesh Public Health Education has been viewed as a vital means of addressing a wide range of public health challenges for many years. Yet the current capacity and output in India's public health sector remain insufficient to meet these demands. Strengthening the training of healthcare professionals is crucial to building and sustaining a robust cadre of public health experts. In this context, the School of Public Health SPS AIIMS Rishikesh stands at the forefront of addressing these needs and plays a leading role in meeting these critical needs. Currently, School of Public Health SPH is a unit of Department of Community Medicine AIIMS Rishikesh. The institution is dedicated to achieving excellency in public health education, fostering cutting-edge research, promoting fellowship and training, and delivering the highest standard of care to the community. Its Master of Public Health MPH program is distinguished by a multidisciplinary curriculum which integrates biomedical sciences, epidemiology, health management, policy analysis and environmental health. Through this broad-based approach. The program prepares professionals to tackle a spectrum of public health problems and assume pivotal leadership roles in diverse settings, from rural outreach to national and international health agencies. The MPH program is thoughtfully designed to nurture outstanding public health professionals who are adept at applying evidence-based practices and the latest research to enhance population health outcomes. At SPH, School of Public Health, AIIMS Rishikesh, students hail from various academic disciplines, medicine, dental and Ayush of professionals backgrounds, enriching the learning environment. The program employs innovative teaching methodologies, including collaborative problem-solving workshops, field-based learning through observerships in leading public health organizations, and real-world case studies. These interactive and experiential leadership strategies not only deepen theoretical understanding but also empower students with the practical skills and confidence necessary to address complex health challenges and to drive meaningful change in the health sector. Aims and objective. Aim: the goal of MPH program is to develop public health professionals who are capable of designing, implementing, evaluating and advancing affordable public health technologies and strategies grounded in globally recognized evidence to help achieve the vision of universal health coverage. Objective: the MPH program, with a particular emphasis on public health practice, aims to achieve the following objectives: equip students with a comprehensive understanding of public health principles, research methodologies and health management practices, foster the development of leadership and managerial capabilities, as well as strong research orientation throughout the program, enable students to grasp and implement the One Health approach within the field of public health, prepare graduates to apply their public health knowledge effectively and communicate essential information to relevant stakeholders. Important dates: last date for submission of application. The duly filled in application along with necessary document and the applicable fee should reach the examination cell, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand 249203 on or before 6 of November 2025 at 5 p.m. through registered post, speed post only. Application sent via courier will not be entertained. Application received after the last date or incomplete in any respect or not accompanied by the required document information will not be considered. The envelope should be superscribed. Application for MPH January 2026 session. MPH course last date for submission of application up to 6 of November 2025 Thursday. Email regarding examination up to 21st of November 2025 Friday. Written entrance exam MCQ examination up to 2nd of December 2025 Tuesday. Departmental assessment up to 8th of December 2025 Monday. Result up to 13th of December 2025 Saturday. And this is the summary of examination pattern. This is mode of examination is computer based test, CBT online OMR. Date of examination is 2nd of December 2025. This is tentative. Reporting time at examination center 9 a.m. Location of examination center AIIMS Rishikesh. Language of paper English. Type of written entrance examination and duration objective type 180 minutes. Number of questions, important topics with tentative marks and distribution. 200 multiple choice questions MCQ based. So subject will come research methodology and biostatistics 30 questions. Epidemiology 30 questions, demography population sciences 30 questions, national health program 20 questions, basics of public health 15 questions, basics of nutrition 50 questions, general knowledge 20 questions, logical reasoning 20 questions, computer literacy 20 questions. Marking scheme 1 mark for each correct answer, no negative marking. And available number of seats, eligible candidates medical, total seats are 8 for medical. Essential qualification is MBBS, BDS, Ayush, Alternative System of Medicine in India degree. Seats are 8, unreserved 3, OBC 2, SC 1, ST 1, EWS 1. In-service candidates, MBBS, BDS, Ayush, alternative system of medicine in India degree. Seats are 2, total seats are 10. Note, proficiency in Hindi up to 10th standard is desirable, as the MPH course at AIIMS Rishikesh involves extensive fieldwork and public interaction. Duration of MPH course is full-time 2 years course, and method of selection is admission is based on entrance examination, departmental assessment, and fulfilling the eligibility criteria only. Stage 1, a written test carrying 200 marks with a duration of 180 minutes. The question paper will consist of 200 multiple choice questions MCQs. Candidate scoring more than 50% marks in stage 1 will be considered for stage 2. Stage 2, based on the merit list from stage 1, candidate 3 times the number of seats advertised will be called for a departmental assessment carrying 100 marks, 33% weightage via interview. Final selection, candidates who secure 50% marks in stage 1 and 2 combined will be eligible for admission and will be included in the final merit list. And this is the course fee. Total amount rupees 5,440 only. Hostel accommodation, the MPH student will be provided accommodation based on hostel availability. So in this video, information regarding AIIMS Rishikesh Master of Public Health program has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams, and for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.